Now you just bought that iPhone 14 Pro and you want to protect it. Today we're going to look at a bunch of cases for your iPhone 14 Pro. This is by Torras, and which is our sponsor for today. We're going to show you how well they are and how well made they are so that it could protect your brand new investment. So here we go. Let's open these up. Very nice packaging by Torras. As you can see there is this card as well that you can kind of flip over like so. Let's have a wonderful journey. Warranty QR code as well. Here's one of them. Very nice packing, clear, so that you can show off your iPhone 14. There you go. Let's try it out on our iPhone 14 Pro. There you go. As you can see, it fits really well. It does have this little stand as well that you could carry around so that you'll be able to bring your phone like so and consume some content. Now there is an even simpler one like so without the stand there. Let's try it out on our phone now. As you could see there, it fits really well as well. If you want to protect your phone even more, there is a bump guard on this one right here. And the back is also Smoky. There you go. Really nice. Again, this one has the stand as well, so you can consume content. Ooh, I like this one. Now, for those of you who want a simple case, just like this one, this is more of a slim case, but it does protect your camera on the back still. Let's try this out now. As you could see there, really nice. And on the white one, as you can see there, it does fit really well. Now this is the exact same one with the Smoky back without the stand there. Let's try this out again. There we go. Really nice. The buttons does fit well as well, right there. Cutouts on the bottom, very beautiful. The Torras also has a Magsafe version of it, like so. Try this out. Boom! There you go. Again, fits really well. The Magsafe part also helps out to stick it better on Magsafe devices or Magsafe accessories. So these two cases are also very unique because you can customize it to however you like. So for example, your buttons, you can have it all red or mix match it with the yellow or the red. Really nice. So you can see there with the yellow buttons, very customizable. You'll be able to see the buttons right away pretty quickly. Very nice. There is also that red one that I mentioned earlier. So you could see there, the buttons are really nice, customizable, quick and easy to take off as well. On the front as well, it has this little lip that protects your ceramic screen, which is really good to have so that you don't, when you do drop it, then you won't be scared or anything like that. It'll protect your screen without any cracks. And that's it for today, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on a brand new case for your iPhone 14 Pro. And if you want to see more of these, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to get one of these cases, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Be sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.